if I got a call from an older lady that when the heat comes on, it makes a squealing noise when it first comes on. So go over there and see. She says I worked for her before.
Turn left on Sharp Street.
She's a squealer, Mama. She's a squealer. I love a squealer.
Turn left on Sharp Street.
We'll try to get you some shots if I get there and something interesting. Do you know which one's making the noise?
Oh.
You're not sure? Them two seem okay. Them two seem okay.
Well, I neglected to have it cleaned, so
Yeah, maybe they just need some oil.
that would be nice. Keep worrying right now. I don't need paper or anything.
That's the
Son
main.
wants me out of here so I don't have these problems, but
Yeah.
it's not easy to just
Let me get some oil and oil them up, maybe. It should be fine. Get some oil and oil them up.
Oh,
I'm a big fan of these spouts. She's a squealer. I don't hear it, but she says it's making noise, so I'll take her word for it. Need some more lube, Mama. We need some more lube. Usually use like 20 weight oil in this shit. Like tranny fluid will be fine. Huh?
problems? No.
Well, I'm just oiling up the circulator, I mean.
Oh, okay.
I don't hear any of them making any noise. We just oil them up.
Okay.
And I should take care of it.
Well, that'd be good news.
There might be a bad bearing or something on one of the motors that's drying up. And we'll give it a little bit of, give it a little juice there. Can't hurt to give it a little lube.
No.
You know?
Does it need cleaning? No.
It was just about a year ago I did the cleaning.
Yeah. I usually call you in the fall, but
You know, oiled all three circulators. Should be fine. Give it a little lube, Mama. Oiled 3 circulators, pumps, and housing. Should be fine.